Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about brain. As you know, or don't know, so now you know, I'm the best dietetic in the entire world.
From music that fits the makes it reminds you of the who's this guy?
And in this video I'm gonna tell you what to do to get your brain to level of Nikola Tesla, Albert Einstein and Sebastian Wodek. Brain is our most important organ, and in some cases it can be argued the command center that manages the all function in our body. The cognitive function we focus on relate to memory, the ability to learn and understand the world around us, and as the late Steve Jobs used to say, the ability to connection the dots. Each information from the world around us is received and analyzed by all kinds of receptors scattered through our body. We respond to some of them consciously and some unconsciously. Okay dude, okay, I get it, that's not biology class. Let's move on to the what works and make our brain go into the higher gear. As a dietetic, the best in the world of course, I have to say yes, diet is the most important thing. And this is where this episode could end. However, a healthy and balanced diet is one thing, but we can name few foods that have outstanding effort in our brain. Dark chocolate, and in fact, one that contains at least 80% of cacao solid, contains a lot of polyphenols. Blood flow in the capillary of the brain increase, and the production of protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor is also improved. The formation of new neuronal connection in our brain, and the consolidation of the current one. The number of neurons correlate with the speed and efficiency of information transmission. In addition, the release of dopamine and serotonin increase, which affect well-being. Studies show us that we get the greatest benefits an hour to an hour and a half after eating a portion of chocolate, which may be the clue to eat a few cubes before an exam or activities that require mental acuity. The next one is omega-3 fatty acid. They are a very important component of the brain, and we cannot say that they affect it in a magic way. Simply providing it in the right amount keeps the brain working as it should. In our diet is based on trans and saturated fats. The addition of other fats, including essential fatty acids, will improve the efficiency of our brain. Among other things, because they are component of the cell membranes, which should be made of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, not by the hamburgers on the microwave dishes. In my opinion, you should supplement omega-3 fatty acid 1 gram every single day.
Come on, all the legacy, go on.
And don't look at 1-to-many ratio when it comes to omega-6 fatty acid. Just eat a lot of fish or omega-3 supplements. And another good fruits are wild fruits. In scenario, we have a whole spectrum of fruits that have a very positive impact on our cognitive function. This is because they have a lot of vitamins and dye that give him specific color, namely antioxidants, which very effectively cross the blood-brain barrier and improve blood circulation and have an antioxidant effect on the radicals that are found in the brain. Our brain consumes the most oxygen and calories during the day, which is why they are the most susceptible in the reaction form. Eat 1 portion of wild fruits every single day. The next step is physical activity. However, paradoxically, we are not talking about classic gym here. Many studies show us that the aerobic exercise has the best effect of our brain. Increase the volume of white and gray matter, and what is the most correlated with the cognitive function is the prefrontal cortex. Therefore, in order to improve the parameters of our brain, the most optimal exercise will be those that raise our heart rate. We can include running, swimming, or other training variation. So wake up and go run! Number 3 is video games. Yes, controversial but true. Computer games can positively affect our cognitive function. However, not every title or genre correlate with this in the same level. The most effective are logical and strategic games, which require us to think outside the box. Cause playing solo will allow us to learn a certain pattern and repeatability of the algorithm. In contrast, playing with live players requires analyzing and estimating the real mode. Of course, it's not that you playing 12 hours a day now and calling it carrying of your brain, unless your goal is to become a professional esport player. However, occasionally playing games will allow us to take care of our brain, improve our mood, and unload some emotional baggage. Number 4. As Andrews say, drink water.
The only water I drink is sparkling water because sparkling water is for rich people.
I'm poor, I drink tap water. However, our body is made up of 60 to 70% of non-carbonate water. The right level of hydration allows us to optimally carry our all metabolic process in our body, which also translates into the transmission of nerve impulse. If you are dizzy, drink a water. You don't have to take pills every day. We need to drink 2.5 to 3.5 liters of fluids every day. If it's warm or you are training, this level increase. Number 5 is move up. When you sit in one position, for example 8 hours at work, blood circulation in our body decrease. So get up, open the window and get some fresh air. The carbon dioxide that we exhale in a closed room make us want to sleep. We are less focused while you are working. Take a walk around the room every hour and a half and do a few push-ups to uprise your blood pressure. Fresh blood saturated with air and glucose will certainly put us on the feet. And that was my 5 advice to increase the cognitive function. Thank you for watching.